What's good, guys? Your boy Big Dre. Welcome back to the Crypto Jugging channel, where we discuss investments, cryptocurrencies, and how to make money online. I also do reviews, and this channel is mainly about football. I do football training as well, so if you are interested in football, make sure you check out my channel. Now, guys, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, as this is the first time youtubeblack has done an online meet. It's going to be by Google Meet, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you can see exactly what happens at this meet. So by the time I upload this, the YouTube meet would have already happened. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to record some of it now. If I can get some footage from the meet, I will do. If I don't, I apologize, guys, but I will do my best. So what we'll do, we'll get straight into this unboxing. You know, crack open this box. Let's see what they've sent us. Apparently they've sent us some stuff that we need to use at the youtubeblack meet. So anyway, man, let's get into this. You know what I'm saying? We're finna change the camera angles right now. And let's unbox this video. Unbox this video. As you guys see, I've got a mic. However, I don't have an attachable mic, so I'm gonna hold the mic throughout the most of this. But first, let me nank it now. Let me nank it. Nank up this box, bro. Now, I figured this would be much easier with scissors. However, this might go completely wrong. Do the first part of the box. Yeah, I just blurred out my address information. Obviously, you know my name, Momma Cherri. Go through this, you know what I'm saying? Let me just put it on the table, bruv, because this is all mad. Let's nank him up this way. What is this, geezer? Some sort of silvery foam thing. This little pamphlet. Alright, so boom. You're going to need these items on Thursday. So, try your best not to eat anything beforehand. Go. Jerk chicken skewers. And banana fritters. That's banana fritters for those of you who don't understand what that is. Yeah. I feel like we should have done some steak, man. I would have loved some steak, medium rare, you know, when you like I like the steak red, you know, the blood. I want to feel like a lion. Feel like, yeah! So guys, let me get into the bag now. You can see what's inside. So we got, this is probably the flour and stuff like that for the frizz. As you see, it says frizz on the top. We also have 2 bananas. We've got some juice from Drip, was it? Drip Punch. I'm gonna check them out on Instagram and see what they are. Never heard of it before still. We've also got our chicken thighs, which it looks like they're already diced, as you see there. We've also got 1 pack of unsalted butter. We also have 1 can of black eyed beans. Now we also have our jerk sauce, as you see it there. And then we have our mango that they just eat. I'm Jamaican is here, so I know about mango. This is actually a very good mango. Still, see, we've got 4 different skewers. And then we've also got, or we also have, what is now? Rice that must some coconut milk. Rice looks like coconut milk there on the side, and some seasoning. Yeah, man. So stay tuned, guys. Hopefully I can take a picture or something like that so you can see what it looks like at the end. But yeah, this has just been the unboxing side of it. Let's get into it and see what youtubeblack are actually gonna do when we get there. Peace out.